first thing we're going to talk about is how to go in and input your personal data in regard to the personal data sheet. Now I'm going to take you over into our course, and you'll see a sample of our course. This one was filmed off of 1904, but it'll be very similar no matter what course that you're currently in. If I scroll on down, one of the first requirements you're going to see is to put your information into the SharePoint Student Information site. And now that we're here, you'll see that there's a splash page that tells you that you are on a Department of Defense website. Simply accept that information. By default, you went directly to the student personnel data sheet. Fill this information out. At the bottom, you will find the password that will be needed for you to continue on in Blackboard. After you've finished all this information, hit save, and all of your information will be saved onto the SMTC website. Now we're going to go back into Blackboard. So what do you do with this password that you have? We have a lot of calls about that. Let's go back into our page. You'll see right below the SharePoint student information, you'll see it says to enter the completion code. You will click on the line, which is actually a shortcut that will take you to a very, very brief test. Hit begin. Put the password in, making sure that your caps are not locked, and it will have a simple one-question test. I entered the code provided upon completing the student personal data sheet. Say true, save and submit, and then your distance learning modules will become available for you.